so delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a cantaloupe banana smoothie with pecan. Okay, cantaloupe banana smoothie with pecan. So before I go any further, remember to like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, and happy new year to everyone who subscribed to my channel. Thank you for a successful year, and I look forward to your continuous support. Okay, thank you so much. So remember to follow me on all social at Cantaloupe. So let's dive right into the main video. So I have here cantaloupe and an apple in this bowl. I have 2 ripe bananas. Have some milk, yogurt, pecan, and some cube ice. And I have my blender, so I'm gonna get started by adding the fruits to the blender. The banana. I'm gonna add some of this. Okay. Yogurt, which is this one. This is the yogurt, this strawberry. Banana smoothie with pecan. So I'm gonna gas this now. So pretty, so colorful. So tasty. So delicious, guys. Go ahead and try it. You will love it, okay? Go ahead and try this smoothie, guys. You will love it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share and comment on my videos, okay? Until my next video.